July 1, 2002, two airplanes collided 35,000 feet above Germany. No storm, no engine failure, so what went wrong? Commercial aircraft don't fly randomly. They follow fixed air routes and are monitored every second by air traffic control. Every modern airliner also has TCAS, an onboard system that warns pilots and tells them how to avoid another aircraft.
Traffic, climb, clear of conflict.
That night, the controller spotted the danger too late and ordered the passenger plane to descend immediately.
Flight 802, descend immediately. Maintain flight level 240, expedite.
But at the exact same moment, TCAS told that aircraft to climb, while instructing the cargo plane to descend. The cargo pilots followed TCAS. The passenger crew followed air traffic control. Both aircraft started descending toward each other. Together, they were closing in at more than 1,500 kilometers per hour. There was almost no time left. Seconds later, the cargo plane struck the passenger jet. Both aircraft broke apart in midair. Investigators discovered that if both crews had followed TCAS, the collision would likely have been avoided. After this tragedy, aviation rules changed worldwide. Today, if TCAS and air traffic control disagree, pilots must always follow TCAS first.